Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Microsoft error code 0x00000194 in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you have to go Windows setting, then click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshoot, then click on Windows update run. After complete this process, close it. Then go to the run command. For that you need to give Windows plus R key. Then type here WS reset. Click on OK. Wait for some time. After opening the Microsoft Store, close this window. Go to the Windows 11 setting. Click on apps and features, then search here Microsoft Store. You can see here Microsoft Store. Click on three dots, click on advanced. Here you scroll down a little bit, click on repair, wait for repair, then click on reset. Before reset, read this sentence. This will permanently delete the apps data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. After that, click on reset. Then close this window. Go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Click on S. Then type here sfc space /scan now. Then hit enter. Then wait for verification 100% complete. After complete the 100%, close this window. Again open your Windows 11 settings. Click on system. Click on recovery. Then click on reset PC. After doing all this method, restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this error code. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.